It sounds stock.
It sounds stock. I don't even know what that means.
Oh, it's got a nice big bounce on it too. I like that.
Wow. That sounds mint, bro. I know, right? Oh, don't remind me of that. Holy, Greg. That's clean. Woo. That's phenomenal. What's the rear end on that thing?
It's the Dodge 8 3/4, 323 ratio.
Have you taken it to the track at all?
No, we were just talking about that. I might do it in September.
And that's
They're renting the track.
Where?
And that's a full stock engine, no cam, nothing there.
Yeah, there's a mild cam in it.
Oh, there's a mild cam on it.
It's just mild, and it's got some mild head porting.
Okay,
That's it.
nice.
That's all I got. And headers.
That's perfect.
This is it. This is this is a great.
It's a lot of fun, I tell you.
I bet you it is.
Compared to my 340, I would burn every time I come to one of these cruises about $50 a day in gas.
Yeah.
Now I'm burning 25.
Yeah,
What I did was
yeah.
I bought a large jar of Vaseline. I lubed everything up, and it just slid right in.
See, that's what he did. There you. That's what it is.
Messing up.
See, he used KY jelly. That's the problem, right?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Like, so was it an easy like
It wasn't
swap?
bad actually. If you buy the right parts, it all goes together very easily.
Yeah.
You build it on the floor.
Yeah.
And you just lower the car on top of it. And
Oh, you lowered the car on top of it.
you just
You
married
did the
the two together.
opposite.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
illegal, because if it was easy, that's how he did it.
That's phenomenal. Like, so where did you get the motor?
The motor came out of a 2020 Challenger from out of Florida.
Okay.
The tranny,
Yeah.
same car. The rear end is Dodge.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't change the rear end. And the whole suspension is Riley Motorsports.
Yeah.
And it's made for the HEMI, and it's made for this frame.
Yeah.
You build it out on the floor with the control arms and the spindles and the brakes.
On the floor.
You build the whole thing out on the floor, and
Okay.
your car's up in the air, all empty.
Wow.
And you just lower it down, and you bolt it all up.
Really?
Oh, that's slick.
There are
That's
certain
slick.
things you have to massage.
Oh,
to
yeah.
fit,
Yeah.
But other than that, it was pretty easy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how's the drivability?
Yeah, 3 days. I was
3
done.
days.
3 days.
Wow. So where did you get the body then?
The body, I bought it out of New Brunswick.
Yeah.
It came with a small block.
Yeah.
340 small block.
Okay.
I sold it.
Yeah.
And I've always wanted to do this.
Yeah.
I watched enough TV shows where guys, graveyard cars and all that. I watched a lot of those shows.
Okay.
Where they put modern engines.
Yeah.
Because I didn't want a carbureted car because my whole life I've had carburetors.
Yeah.
So I wanted to go fuel injection, and the only way to do that is to put a HEMI in the car.
Perfect. Now that's an 8-speed in there?
8-speed, yep.
Fuck.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
I cruised up here at 140 kilometers an hour. I was idling at $2,000.
Yeah.
Really?
I bet you this
Yeah.
thing's just
So your gas mileage is mint.
Oh, it's great. It's about 25 miles to the gallon.
What do you got for
Really?
brakes on it?
Yeah.
I got the big Willwood, 12 inch.
Willwoods.
Willwoods.
My man.
It's just a dream to drive.
Oh no, it's like driving a new car.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh,
It's got
really?
air conditioning.
It's got air conditioning
It's got
too.
air conditioning right down there. Factory air conditioning right down there.
Oh really?
Is this car ceramic coated?
No.
Holy. What's the headers on there?
TTI.
TTI headers.
Oh, I've heard good things about TTI.
2 inch headers.
Are you gonna do anything else to this thing?
Yeah, I do something every year.
Okay, so what are you gonna do next?
Next is leather interior, which is this winter.
Yeah.
And I'm, what else am I doing? I'm upgrading the rear end to a Ford 9-inch, and I'm changing the wheels
Yeah.
to double spoke forged wheels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why are you gonna change the rear end?
Because
Quicker?
the ratio is too much.
323 is too tall, yeah.
It's the first gear will go 10 feet, and I'm already in second.
Oh yeah.
And it's too much gear, so it's basically trial and error.
Yeah.
And I tried it. It was the highest gear I could get was 323
Yeah.
for the Dodge. So I got to go to Ford which they make a 300.
It's
Right,
Ford's
yes.
the Ford rear ends are pretty popular. with
Oh,
the
yeah.
cars.
Ford 9-inch.
Yeah.
You know.
Now, here's the real question, if you don't mind me asking.
Yeah.
How much was this build? Till now, I guess. Till now.
Okay, I'm a mechanic, so I did all the work myself.
Yeah.
I got 110 in it.
110 grand?
Yeah.
I'm in for this one.
So including like buying the car.
Yeah, I got 110.
Oh, including buying the car,
Yeah.
not on top of the car.
I bought the car, I bought the car for 40, and then I've got another 70. I put another 70 in it.
That's not bad for the amount of work into this.
Yeah,
It's a
well,
beautiful car for that.
It's
amount.
insured for 150.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. So
That's
I
awesome.
wanted to get my labor back at least. So I
Oh, for
insured it
sure, yeah.
150, right?
Do you know? I'd love to see you at the track. Do you know when you're gonna go? Like in October?
Cliff,
Yeah.
the guy over here said they're renting the track in September.
Okay.
A guy he knows.
Yeah.
We get it all day.
Okay.
So we're gonna run a whole bunch of cars that day.
Okay.
I don't know which day it is.
So
yet.
it'll be on here.
Are you gonna film us?
Yes, that's
Oh,
what
you
I'd
wanna
like to
come-
do.
oh, okay. Okay, yeah. No
We
problem.
run a Mopar YouTube channel. There you go. I appreciate your time.
Okay, man,
That's
no
awesome.
problem.
Did you even tell them what you had? You have a purple Jeep with a 392.
It's just a purple Jeep. It's
with
fine.
the same motor.
No,
And he
no,
used to
it's
have
not
a
like
Challenger
this.
too.
This is the best part right here.
No, I know. That's what I said.
Yeah.
There you go. You can't say it though.
Oh, you can't.
You
You,
can- you
get
can-
arrested.
Exactly. My man. This is clean.
Oh yeah, that's a great job. As I said, this is right up your alley.
Yeah. This is so clean. That's awesome.